Hey y'all, just here to give a review for Solar Pool Supply. We bought three 12.5-foot SwimJoy solar panels. We installed them late January of this year, so we've only had them for about a month and a half. It's the second week of March currently, and our pool is already 82 degrees, which is fantastic because last summer it only got up to 79 degrees. So we've already got to swim in the pool a couple times this year so far. Last year, the pool got warmed up to 79 degrees during the summer, and that's it. So it's a fairly cold pool. We have a screen cage covering, as you can see. So far, we're super happy with the panels. It's great to be able to use our pool, especially this early in the year. Can't imagine what it's going to be like during the summer. Can make it as hot as we want to, probably. So super excited to use the pool more. Super happy with the support Solar Pool Supply has provided us throughout the planning of this, and just the support. They're absolutely fantastic. Matt was great to work with us and help us size our panel layout and everything. So we're super happy with them, and panels are excellent quality and construction, and we know they'll last for many years. So thank you all very much for being such a great company to work with. Can't wait to use our pool more.